So ganito naman kayo maglinis ng keyboard nyo, di ba?
So this is the IP98 from PureCube, and it may be a membrane keyboard, but it does have a mechanical feel to it, and somehow nakapaglagay naman sila ng maayos-ayos and modern style na keycap set for it. It has several RGB presets na pwede mong pagpalit-palitan when you want. I do like na ginawa nilang parang simple design lang ng Fury Cube na dito, unlike sa iba ng mga aggressive keyboards. And somehow modernized na dito kasi pwede mo tanggalin yung cable niya compared sa ibang membrane keyboards na soldered in lang. And oh yeah, dahil membrane keyboard to, it does have a bit of water resistance to it, kaya kung mag-accidental drops ka sa kanya, it would be fine. And it does have that mechanical feel, parang somewhere between the red and black switches ang kanyang pakiramdam, but you would definitely know na membrane keyboard to. Okay, so kung 1, in a budget ka, 2, naghahanap ka ng full size na keyboard, and 3, kahit papano modernized naman ang look, this one from PureCube might check those boxes out.